Did you know there are currently some online jobs that people are earning from 50,000 to 5 lakh taka per month? And the best thing is, these jobs can be done from home. Don't skip the video. The last job is really a game changer. A freelancing, the most popular and profitable online job of the present time. For example, a graphic design, a video editing, the web development, a content writing, Upwork, Fiverr, freelancer. People are earning thousands of dollars by working on these platforms. Video editing and YouTube automation. YouTube is no longer just a hobby. It's a big business. If you know video editing, foreign clients, a YouTube channels, shorts editing. There are job opportunities everywhere. The demand for this skill is increasing day by day. Digital marketing. Any business that is online needs marketing. Facebook ads, Google ads, SEO, email marketing. If you know these skills, companies will look for you. There is no income limit. AI-based online jobs. This is the most trending sector right now. AI content writing, prompt engineering, data checking, image reviewing. If you know AI, you will not be left behind in the future. Affiliate marketing. You will not sell anything yourself. Just share the link. Commission when someone buys. YouTube, Facebook page, website, works everywhere. Now the question is, will you just watch the video, or will you start learning a skill today? If the video is helpful for you, give a like and subscribe to the channel to get more such videos.